welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Beautiful boat here. We have the ebony metallic on the outside, and then black sapphire. It's kind of a flat black accent panel here, which really ties into the black powder coated fence railing that matches the bimini top as well. This boat is 25 feet in length. It's a tri-tune. We do have the docking lights up there, and then the fender slip system on here, which is easy to clip in your fenders and then take them on and off when you're getting on and off the dock. So let's take a look at the stern here. This does have the rear-facing lounger, so we have the safety railing here, and we'll go into more detail once we hop on board. Got flip-up cleats, and then a spot to put your fenders. This boat does have the extended platform here, ski tow bar, and a 250 Verado V8 Mercury outboard. Plenty of power for all the water sports and activities you want to use it for on the lakes here in Minnesota. Let's hop up inside and take a look at some of the features. All right, welcome inside. Taking a look up here in the bow. As you can see on either side, we have plenty of seating, both starboard and port side. Underneath all these cushions, plenty of room for storage for all your gear. We do have the lighted cup holders and lighted RGB underneath the seat base on right now. You can have that rotating like it is or have it fixed on one color. We do have the pillow top upholstery here. This is the Moonlight Gray with the nice flip down armrest and accent stitching there as well. And then what I like on these tri-tunes is they really maximize their storage with this, and the third pontoon with the ski locker down here as well. And then moving our way up to the helm, I've got a nice tilt steering wheel here. This is powered by JL Audio, great sound quality on this boat. And we have a spot up here to charge your phone. This does have the Simrad display screen. It's got all your engine vitals, chart plotting, navigation. Everything's really easily accessible up here at the helm. And then we have the digital throttle and shift with that 250 V8 outboard. The seat is a high back helm seat that does swivel and adjust for you. And then as we walk back into the stern of the boat, we have the nice L-shaped seating here. This boat does have the rear-facing lounger that adjusts in a couple of different positions. So you can have it into a full sun pad for your friends and family just to hang out when you're on the water. And then as we make our way towards the stern of the boat, again, this does have the safety railing on here, which makes it legal for you to ride underway. And then plenty of storage underneath these compartments. And one of the best features that I like is a built-in cooler back here too. This boat does come with a table. You can really mount it wherever you'd like on the boat. And then we also have a transom remote back here, so you can adjust the volume of the music so you don't have to go to the helm and back and forth. Plenty of power on this boat. Again, this has a 250. You have a ski tow bar on here, and this boat is very well equipped. It's located here in Rogers, Minnesota. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.